Hi everyone, my name is Michael Betan. Today I will be an IT service author. My goal will be to embrace third-party integration using an automatic import. For that, I will use operation orchestration. OO provides Wizard to import API from third party using different kind of protocol. The first one is REST API, SOAP, RAML, or PowerShell. If let's say my PowerShell server have snap-ins and module, I will be able to automatically discover and import them, as well as SSH and Telnet. It will discover, import, and generate the contents. Let's do it live during a demo. And for that, I will use my server and I open my wizard. This one is the web service wizard. The goal of this wizard is to discover a SOAP API, discover the endpoints, operation, and import them automatically. I could also use the other wizard for SOAP, PowerShell, Shell, or third party like SAP. The first thing when you need to onboard a new provider, you need to be able to discover the specification. So for that, I will Google it and I will see this provider, which is OVH, is a telecom cloud provider. And my goal will be to discover the content from this provider and import it inside my orchestrator. You can see they have thousands of operations and methods. If I want to do it manually inside the orchestrator, it will take time to create all the content. So the goal will be to generate on the fly automatically all this operation inside my orchestrator. And for that, I will use a specification file. I need a file, a dictionary, explaining all the operation, methods, and metadata. For SOAP, it's WSDL. The first thing I can do is download the file and import it into my wizard, or I can just, copy paste the direct web link into my wizard in order to do that. So let's do it. First thing I will do is I will define the name of my project. The project I will generate using the wizard, and I will be able to import it inside my orchestrator later. Let's copy paste the URL, the web link. I can see the SOAP specification file web link. I click next. It will automatically grab the file, discover the metadata, parse it, and allow me to configure it. I can see all the available operations discovered inside the file, so the thousands of operations, telephony, dedicated, account, and so on. In this case, in this demo, let's do it for just one endpoint. Let's filter only on dedicated. Let's say I'm interested only in few methods and operations available from this dedicated endpoint. So let's filter on dedicated. All right, let's select all and then ask the wizard to generate the content pack. So it will take each operation, create an operation, package it inside a content pack I will be able to import as a service author, modify, customize, test before promoting this to production. Let's open now my IDE, my OO Studio. As a service author, I'm developing all my workflow here in this UI. So the first thing I will do is I will import my project, the project I generated from the wizard, OVH import. Once it's imported inside my studio, I will be able to open it and see all the operations created by the wizard. Let's browse the library, wizard, so pressed, and then I can see all the available operations for the dedicated endpoint. If I want to use one, I just have to select the right one I want to drag and drop. For example, dedicated, let's say dedicated failover. I click on it, I just drag and drop, and then I will be able to use it. If I double click on it, I can see the input, result, display, description of the operation. It has been automatically generated. Behind the scene, it uses my SOAP connector in order to make an API call, get, post, put, and so on. If I want to drag and drop dedicated install basic to install a server, same thing with different kind of inputs.